everyone, so we ran a pre-order. Okay, we hear you. 8 months is a long time, so let's pull back the curtain and show you what actually happens between your little click and that box landing on your doorstep. Step 1, pre-order placed. Click, easy for you. Matador logs orders and places a purchase order with the factory while waking up an entire international supply network. 1 click for you, a global domino effect for us. Time, 1 week. Step 2, in production, breaking this down into 3 parts. Okay, this is way more than just sewing. Sourcing. This bag is complex. The factory orders from 28 different suppliers, 9 fabrics from 6 suppliers, plus 75 line items for hardware, thread, tags, packaging, you name it. And suppliers don't just keep stock of this stuff. They only manufacture after receiving orders. So fabrics and hardware get made, shipped from different countries, received, checked, and the factory waits until every single last component arrives. The slowest item sets the pace for the whole thing. This takes 8 weeks. Time, 9 weeks. Part 2, production. There's no giant backpack button that just spits out backpacks. I wish there was. These are made by skilled human hands with the use of machines. Training employees on new product, then cutting thousands of fabric panels, creating sub-assemblies like back panels and straps, each with dedicated teams, then joining everything together like a 3D puzzle. This all takes about 4 to 6 weeks. Part 3, quality control. Every single bag gets individually inspected. QC checks specs, and my favorite part, they use a little toothbrush with alcohol to remove the little wax pen alignment marks on the fabric. Step 3, on a boat. The most boring, time-consuming part. Bags get tagged, boxed, and then loaded into 8 foot by 8.5 foot by 20 foot steel containers weighing 5,000 pounds each. Trucks take these containers to the port, and then they wait for giant cranes to lift them up and put them onto ships that carry 10 to 25,000 containers. Time, 19 weeks. But here's the thing, ships just don't leave when your container arrives. They wait until they're entirely full. So basically add another 2 weeks for just waiting. Then these massive vessels, they crawl across 8,000 miles of Pacific Ocean at 25 miles an hour. And this takes over 3 weeks. Time, 24 weeks. Once these vessels hit the port in Los Angeles, they can get held up by customs for 2 to 4 weeks. Once they finally pass through customs, they'll get loaded onto trucks and or trains and then taken to a distribution center. Time, 28 weeks. And then finally, they're unloaded at the distribution center, processed, cataloged, then individually packaged, labeled, and shipped to you. Time, 30 weeks. But wait, the system has variables. Tropical storms slow down vessels, new tariffs appear, wrong materials get sent, QC has issues, customs famously drags their feet, Godzilla attacks, who knows. Factor in an extra 2 to 4 week safety buffer. Total, 34 weeks or 8.5 months. So yeah, now 8 months kind of feels a little bit fast, right? We're gonna keep you updated for every single step of this process via email, social media, and the pre-order page. Stay tuned, the journey is just getting started.
Carryology is proudly backed by our friends at Bellroy. To learn more, visit our About Us page, link in the description.